If you love the kids like me, you are gonna be part of the family. Now, hello, I'm Veronica, a Venezuelan au pair living in Ireland, and I would like to tell you some details about how is my life now and why the decision to be an au pair was the best of my life. I wanted to improve my English, and all my life I had wanted to live the experience as an au pair. So this year I took the decision to start my new life. I found a lovely family in Kells, a town near Dublin. I'm looking after four children with personalities totally different. Probably you are wondering if it's hard, and the answer is yes. The beginnings are always hard, and you have to be patient with the kids and do the best that you can. You have to spend a lot of time with the kids and try to be a confident for them. The beginning is hard, especially if you have little kids, but it's not impossible. If you love the kids like me, you are gonna be part of the family. Now I have 3 months living with the family and I feel part of them. When I arrived here, I had a lot of plans for traveling around the country, but when I had a month living in Ireland, the coronavirus appeared and I had to organize my life in another way, which was really good for me because I started to take advantage of my free time during the weekend, and I have been doing some handmade bracelets which I published in the Instagram account at varios colores, and I had been doing some online course to improve my professional career, and I have been doing some English course online, and I think it was a wonderful opportunity to improve in different ways of my life. I think that during your time, like an au pair, you have to spend a lot of time with the family to speak and learn as much as you can. It's a wonderful experience that probably you live once in your life, so you have to focus on your goals and on the reason why you stay in the country that you choose. Now with the virus, I have spent more time with the family and I feel like my English improved faster. I have to tell you that I have been watching all the programs in English and read in English because it's a better way to improve faster as well. I tried don't speak a lot in Spanish. Another thing that I have to tell you about this experience is that you grow a lot. You start to be more independent, you have more confidence in you, and you start to be stronger. If you are thinking to be an au pair, you have to take the decision, and when things will be normal again, you have to live the experience and enjoy every moment. You have to think that it's a perfect opportunity to meet new people, learn another language, and live an unforgettable experience. I'm here if you have any questions or doubt about the au pair program or about life in Ireland. My Instagram account is at mveronica8. Bye!